Guys, I wanted to bring you guys these feather heels that I'm making. And guys, I do record. I have been recording off my phone, so I don't have a lot of space, so my videos can't be long out. So guys, if you guys see the feathers I got on here with the little ribbon, and pretty much guys, I picked the feathers up from Hobby Lobby. I got some E6000. I got the feathers, guys, and I have the ribbon. So if you guys want to create these, guys, go right ahead and create them, guys. Just take your time and do it the way you want to do it, in your way. And then don't make the glue too close to the back. So when you zip it, guys, you don't want to wind up zipping, putting glue E6000 and you lose your zipper. So guys, I just want to give you guys the bread and butter. So it's pretty simple. It's not nothing too hard. So for instance, you're just going to take the E6000. It's like doing a puzzle, guys. So I'm about to run out of space. So I just wanted to bring this, guys, to your attention. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. So I wanted to free up a little space. And basically, guys, we're going to take the E6000. And when you do this, there's no right or wrong way. You do it where it is convenient for you. And you do it for what you like. What's your preference? So I take the E6000 and I spread it. And I kind of make reference to the shoes sitting over there so they won't be like out of sync. And I just start placing the feathers. So it's pretty much all you're going to do, guys. You place your feathers where you like them, you know, with the coordination that you particularly like. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's no right or wrong way. So you look at it and you make it the way you want to look at your shoes and what you want, how you want them to look like, okay? So it's a real easy, simple process. I try not to bore you guys to death with long videos. So my videos is like short and to the point, the bread and butter. Like you guys don't need to sit here and watch me the whole way, just basically gluing these feathers onto the shoes. So it's just you make your shoes the way you want them to look. So whatever way you want them to look, that's the way you're going to do them. So I want them to look more like this. I want them to look more like that. You do it your way. So that's kind of how when I create my stuff, I do things my way, the way I like. So that's what you do, guys. So after if I feel like I got enough feathers on this particular part, it's all about what you feel. So if I feel like I got enough feathers, and then I move up to the next part. So what I'm going to do is, so that the glue can get tacky, I'm going to start putting the glue up here and also letting it sit. So by the time I move up to this part, my glue will be tacky, pretty good and ready to stick. So that's pretty much it, guys. And you put it in a format where you like it. And it's simple, real easy. You just basically gluing and placing the feathers to the way that you would like it, guys. So I think it's Saint Laurent that came up with these feather shoes. I'm not sure of the artist that made these feather shoes, but I post a picture how I got inspired to make these. And I do things my way, guys. I always do it your way. Okay, imitation is the best form of flattery, but have something unique about yourself. So I'm just going to finish gluing, guys, and I'll come back. Bye. Guys, so when I start to do the top, like I said, it's your way. I take one and go that way, and I take the opposite and go this way. So I kind of go, I'm kind of doing like a crisscross thingy when I'm doing it. So I'm taking one going one way, and I take the other one and go this way. And then if I don't feel that it's full enough, guys, I keep adding till I get the desired look that I'm looking for. So I'm going to stop the video again, guys, because you guys know I don't have space. So I use my phone. My son actually bought me a laptop, so I'm just waiting on it to get shipped to me, so then I can do more editing and do my videos probably a lot better, because I can use a video editor and add in parts or whatever. So okay, guys, that's all I'm doing. A crisscross motion, going across, back and forth and getting a desire that I like to make these shoes. And remember, guys, when you do the back zipper, don't put that glue at all by the zipper, because you're going to lose your zipper. Once that E6000 get in a zipper, you're going to ruin shoes. So please be mindful about that. Don't go close at all to the zipper. So I'll be back, guys, in a little bit. Bye. Got to show you the pack. This is the pack of feathers I got from Hobby Lobby. I did get these big ones, but they're like way too big, so I'm gonna use that for something else. But if you guys can see, this is what the front's looking like, and I got the ribbon. So now, guys, we're gonna do the back, and it's real simple, guys. So remember I was telling you, when you do this, guys, don't get close by the zipper with the glue, because you do not want to make the zipper where you can't close it. So be careful. So basically, I look at this shoe and kind of see how, make reference to how I put them on, so that they can kind of be pretty much kind of the same way. So I noticed that when I did those, I turned them this way, like going out this way. So I'm turning them like this, guys. So, but you guys put them on the way you like them. So again, guys, I don't have a lot of space, so I'm just gonna finish putting them on lined up like this, guys. And you guys put them on the way you want to do it, and then I'm gonna put the ribbon on the back, and then I'm gonna let them dry, and then the final video I'll try them on for you guys. Bye bye, guys. These are the finishing results of these shoes. And no, guys, I would not wear these with this particular outfit. I will wear a white or something, beautiful dress or something, but I just wanted you guys to see. Or to be honest, I think that you guys remember this one I finished. I think this will be gorgeous with this. It's just something, the white, and then that's why I left them gold to match the mesh. So I don't know, this might be my go-to with this outfit that I finished. So guys, thank you guys for watching my channel and following the journey with me. So guys, make it your way. But I do love these. When I seen these shoes on the internet, I was very impressed with them, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are the finishing results of these feather heels. So guys, make them your way. You don't have to make them the way everybody else make them. Make them the way that you like, that's uniquely for you.
One of the main ones, but I
Thank you.